Hi dear students, welcome back to Sugamathszone. In this video, we are going to see the fourth figurative question of the 1.3 subtopic. The question is, what would you call the following sequence of numbers? Here, some picture formations are given. So, you have to know about the picture. What is that picture? This is the hexagonal numbers. Draw these numbers in your notebook. What is the next number in the sequence? So, you have to copy these patterns in your notebook. And after that, you have to find the next patterns. So first I'll explain how it formed. The hexagonal numbers are 7, then 19, then 37. Okay, you have to draw these. You have to draw the hexagonal pattern for these numbers. 7 dots, and here 19 dots. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. In here, 6, 7. Okay, you can draw these. It forms the hexagonal formations. You can see that. Okay, and how the number it come. So this is the hexagonal pattern. So you have to know about the 6 tables. 1 into 6, 6. 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 6, 18. 4 into 6, 24. We can add these numbers, so we will get the next numbers. 7 plus 12 equal to 19. 19 plus 18 equal to 37. So the next number is 37 plus 24 equal to 61. So the next number is 61. How this pattern is drawn? So you can see that the center part of the dots are formed in the odd numbers. This is 1 dot, and here 3 dots, this is 5 dots, and here 7 dots. So the next is 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 dots. And the end part of the dots are decreased. Here 2, and here 5, 4, 3. Here 7, 6, 5, 4. And how it ends? So you can see that the before part of the hexagonal number of the end point is increased. Here 3, 2, and here 2, and here 3, and here 4. So here 5, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can count these number. So it is 61 dots. Okay. And you can see that each part of the hexagon is equal. In our next video, we will see the next figure it out question. Thank you. Thanks for watching.